Okay, so someone laughed at me when I said that RCs are a bit of a obsession with me. And I was like, yeah, right. You haven't been into my workshop, have you? So when I say that I know a little bit about drones and planes and helicopters, and that I've been doing this for a long time, believe me, I mean it. Yes, this is Icarus. This did actually fly until I repurposed the parts and got bored with it. That is the remnants of something from the weekend. Do not put EDFs on drones. I built an undercarriage and put it on a drone. This is very quick. Didn't stop very well, unfortunately. Little tiny drones. Big RC cars. A vintage turret, which is it is a vintage, and 3 printed planes for the weekend, so we can go and do combat wars. So that should be fun. But yeah, that's the workshop. So yeah, if you do have any questions about bits and pieces, just give us a shout. Cheers.